Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how a real-time analytics workflow could look like from an end-to-end perspective in Microsoft Fabric. So let's start by making a workspace, a place where we can collaborate. Then let's go to real-time analytics and make a KQL database. Then let's go and make a place for us to stream some real-time data. Then let's connect to a source. Let's just take a sample source. Let's check the data, how it looks like. Let's see if we have ingested anything. Not yet. Let's sync it into our KQL database that we did. Let's give it a nice name. The data is interpreted as a string, but this is JSON output we know. So let's format it as JSON and let's just change the data type of one of the columns. Now the connection has been established and we are now ingesting our text data into our KQL database. Let's check what the data looks like. Let's see how many rows we got yet. So we already have some rows. We have 4,000 rows now. All right. Let's see how the distribution of the data is. We can make the query as such. We can visualize it. Okay. Let's see the distribution. Okay. Mostly on Thursdays. Okay, mainly at this day. Then we can also do regression analysis on the data. There's not much to show right now. And then check for anomalies. These two, okay. If this is interesting, we can analyze further in PowerBi. Let's click these, convert it into a chart. Then you can save your PowerBi report. To our workspace, that's fine. And then you can view it later. Let's analyze it further in a lakehouse manner. Then let's create a lakehouse. There's nothing in my lakehouse. So let's make a shortcut to our data from KQL. Data is not available yet for this shortcut. It's not been synchronized yet, so let's take another database that I made yesterday. The data is now here, and we can load it into a table, or we can just open a new notebook. So let's preview the data. So this is what the data looks like in the KQL database. Notice the number, how it's formatted for the passenger count. Let's try to fix it. Now it has been fixed. Let's save this as a new table. So how many rows have been saved? 59 million. Let's try to import some more data. Go to the Lakehouse. And this is how all the Parquet files loaded by the KQL database or the stream. Good. Let's go back to the notebook. Let's import the vendor mapping into a data frame. And let's do some preparation to the data. Now we are casting the vendor ID to an integer. Let's see it and save it as a table. Now that we have two tables, we can join them together. And you'll see we joined the vendor table with the time series that we imported. And let's also import our order file as a table. We can also deal with our tables in SQL. Go back to the Lakehouse and change to SQL endpoint. Here you will be able to write your normal SQL statements. Or you can do a visual query to join the two tables together in a no-code fashion. Let's define the relation between the tables. And let's make a report. Let's just simply do a map visualization. And save the output as a report. Let's head to our workspace. And our report is here. I hope this gave you an idea of how to establish an end-to-end real-time analytics workflow in Microsoft Fabric. Thank you for your time, and I wish you a good day.